this video, I will show you PU Prime. This is actually one of the best online trading platform that you could go ahead and see. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of PU Prime. Link to this will be in the description of the video. They actually have grown from its inception into a globally recognized fintech leader, which also is delivering cutting-edge online trading solutions across diverse asset classes. And later on, guys, I will show you how I trade crypto using the PU Prime mobile app. So with a presence in multiple regions and a team of over 100 dedicated professionals, PU Prime is already combining forward-thinking innovation with dependable service to meet the ever-evolving needs of traders across the entire world. The company's core values is the client-first service, transparency, and technological advancement form the backbone of its success. And guys, PU Prime's commitment to excellence is reflected in numerous industry accolades, including awards from Brands Review magazine and the Global Economics. So whether it is through the advanced trading tools, the multilingual support, and the exclusive promotions that they provide to their traders, PU Prime is actually striving to empower the clients with the resources that they need for informed and efficient trading. Now guys, I would of course strongly suggest that you do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions. Now you could hover over your mouse on the top part where you will see the trading products that they have. You have the Forex, the metals, indices, commodities, shares, ETFs, bonds, and guys, I will show you crypto in a bit. Now the trading platforms that they use are these ones right here, and I will also show you the mobile app. Now, trading conditions, you would also be able to go ahead and check this one out, like the account types, the spreads, and all those important things that would definitely help you out in making an informed decisions. And guys, this is their About Us. It's under the company, so if you hover your mouse over company, you have the About Us here. This is actually a very good part of the website wherein it will tell you more on who they are, what they do, and what they can offer that would definitely help you out in making your trades more efficient. They also have their help center here where you could get as much help as you can, and that is actually one of my important things that I really consider about them, is because it is very, very easy to find help. If you just click on at the bottom right of the page, it will let you chat with their customer support. So that is one thing that I really love about them. All right, so I am already logged in to my PU Prime account, and I will show you right here. So you would see watch list, right? You have a watch list wherein it is sort of like a favorites tab. Okay, so you could add the symbols, you could add the pairs that you would like. You have the Forex. Okay, the Forex right here. So if you are a Forex trader, you could go ahead and utilize it here as well. You have the commodities, you have the indices, you also have metals, shares, CFDs, and the one that I also would really like to emphasize, you have crypto in here as well. So you have Bitcoin USD pair, you have Ethereum, you have Solana, you have a lot. I mean a lot of pairs that you could choose. So whatever crypto asset you are doing your technical analysis on, the one that you are using with all your trades, you would be able to use it right here. So let's just say, for example, okay, I just wanted to show you the features that you would be able to use in this one. Bitcoin to USD. All right, so you have the chart up on top and you have the analysis as well. When you click on analysis, this is what I really love about PU Prime. Okay, you have a lot of analysis that are given to you already that would definitely help you out when you are doing your technical analysis, because again, when it comes to trading, be it Forex or whatever kind of trading that is, including crypto, the news plays a lot or a big factor in terms of the price action, especially with Bitcoin. Okay, so if you click on that one, you have the sell. Okay, you have the sell and the buy. So if, say, for example, you are selling, All right, I tapped on sell. Market execution. Okay, you have the sell limit and the sell stop. You have the option to use that, and I strongly recommend that you use those instead of doing the market execution, because again, doing your technical analysis, you have your resistance, you have your support, you have the moving average and all those kinds of stuff. You wouldn't want to get your emotions and be involved with your technical analysis. So you have to, I would really strongly suggest, do it using the sell limit and the sell stop, which are available in the mobile app as well. I would strongly encourage you guys to go ahead and download the app in your mobile and register. That way you would be able to check them out. One really great thing about this is that you have the option to do a demo account. As you can see right now, I am on a demo account and the equity is 100,000 USD. I wish I have that right in my account, the live account that I could use with my trading. But again, if you are practicing, if you are, still trying to get accustomed to doing trades, this is what I really would recommend that you do, and it is available in PU Prime. So guys, go ahead and check them out. There are tons of features that would definitely help you in having your trades be more efficient and be more profitable. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.